In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Feedback Resonator Blueprint and all of the locations here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but we're going to start off with the life pod. You need to go ahead and make your way over to the power plant location. This is going to be pretty far away. It's about 1,800 meters east of the life pod itself. So go ahead and just head straight in that direction. You're going to pass through a bunch of different stuff, a bunch of different biomes. Like you'll pass through the fire biome or the heat biome. Keep that in mind. It will get hot. You're also going to pass through some, leviathans as well. So once again, something to just keep in mind. You're just heading straight in this direction, literally exactly straight. It's right about when you pass this giant little wreck thing right here where you run into where this Leviathan is. It's the Collector Leviathan. He's not too bad. You can get low and pretty much completely avoid him. But there's pretty much no dodging him completely right here. But yeah, he will come after you, especially if you are in a vehicle, so just keep that in mind. The best part is, though, if you do go into these little areas, you can, pretty much completely block him off. Thing is, you do have to go back up, technically, or around, but going back up is honestly just easier. You're going to see this giant, looking alien thing right here. That's how you know you're going in the right direction. Once you pass by this giant looking alien thing, wow, I've not seen these guys yet. These some of the other Leviathans? What is this? Once you pass this thing, though, you need to just go ahead and make your way straight down. Once again, we're still going pretty much directly east, and you will eventually hit the alien comb. Once you hit the alien comb itself, you're going to see all these roots that are technically attached to it. What you need to do is essentially just head the path that is facing northeast. I'd recommend staying close to these roots because the path that we are going to go into, once again, has another Leviathan in it. And you're going to see this glowing pool area right here with these cool looking guys. And the Leviathan's going to be right up there. If you stay at least around the 440 meter range, he will just leave you alone. So just keep that in mind. But the first thing that you're going to be looking for in this area, you can scan this thing right here, the Feedback Resonator. This is going to be the first location. From here, what you need to do is get back in that tadpole and make your way across these green little things. You're going to see kind of like a pink glowing light. It's a little hard to see, but you need to make your way over to that pink glowing light. And I'll show you guys the overall coordinates in just a second. But once you make your way over to this pink glowing light area, you're going to see a whole nother area that has the other Feedback Resonator right there. As you can see, it's right on my cursor. Simply go ahead and interact with that as well, and boom, there you go. That is the Feedback Resonator Blueprint Locations. Here is my coordinates if you guys just want to copy them. If you guys have any questions, though, ask me down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.